Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you test for pregnancy by using sugar. How can you test for pregnancy by using sugar? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So in front of you, I have a sample M of urine. Also, I have sugar in this container. I have an empty container here. Also, we have a spoon here. So in this video, I'm going to explain how can you test for pregnancy by using sugar. It is like this. First of all, the urine which you're going to use, you're going to use the morning urine. So this is the container which contains urine, and you must use the morning urine. And this is sugar, and this is an empty container. So we're going to take this urine and keep it in this container. Then after that, you're going to add small amount of sugar. After adding small amount of sugar, you must stir it. So after stirring it, you leave it for some minutes. So after leaving it from some minutes, you're going to check after stirring what has happened. So it is like this. If you stir the solution, the urine and the sugar and sugar, if the sugar dissolve completely in the urine, it means that you are not pregnant. But if when you add sugar in urine and you stir, but they clump together or they are not dissolved, it means that you are pregnant. So some advocates said that urine, the pregnant urine, which is the morning urine, it contains human chorionic gonadotrophin hormone, HSG hormone. So this HSG hormone, it makes sugar don't dissolve in the urine. But this test, it has not been proved scientifically. So when you use this test, make sure that you also go to the hospital to confirm. So when you opt to do this test of pregnant test by using sugar, make sure that also you go to the hospital to confirm. Don't only rely on this test. So according to my result here, it means that I'm not pregnant. But you might do this test and you can see that you're not pregnant. But if you go to the hospital, you are pregnant. So don't rely so much on this test. Make sure that when you do this test, also go to confirm to the hospital. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.